Welcome to Getting Started with Adobe After Effects Creative Cloud 2019. My name is Lee Lawhon and I'm a video editor and animator. I've produced and directed content for screens both large and small. Though I started my career as a graphic designer, I quickly moved into motion graphics and 3D modeling, and have been in the industry for 10 years. Let's take a look at the course overview. With this course, we'll start with an overview in Section 1. In Section 2, we'll learn about the interface and common terms. In Section 3, we'll take a look at working with shapes and rotoscoping. Section 4, text and 3D effects. In Section 5, we'll add some animations. Section 6, we'll add some more effects and wrap things up. And finally, in Section 7, we'll learn how to render our projects. There are not really any prerequisites for this course. However, it would help if you had a basic understanding of video editing and some familiarity with other Adobe products such as Photoshop. The goals of this course are to understand the 12 principles of animation, add rotoscoping and effects to footage, work with Cinema 4D Lite, animate images with the Puppet tool, and learn to render your work. I'm excited to share this course with you, so let's get started.